How to mount a LightMove AEW 230. Take the LightMove handlebar bracket for left and right mounting and note the interlocking. Add the washer and the bolt and mount to the LightMove AEW 230 MTB headlight. Fix after checking the correct position. Mount to the handlebar. Slide a 4:1 8mm heat shrink tube over the cable. And cut the isolated wires around 11mm on both sides. For easy and quick connection, use the LightMove CT22 connector and fix with pliers. Slide the heat shrink tube over the cable and shrink. Now, install the high-low beam switch. First, check the L-ring location. Then, connect the switch to the L-ring and fix it. Route the cable using the LightMove CG cable guides. Remove the motor cover and left crank. Remove the ceiling cap from the Bros light port. Plug in the light cable and make sure it is fixed. Then mount the cover and crank.